Hi, this is Juliet. Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk about Hapeh. Hapeh is a tobacco snuff that it's made with tobacco and a tree bark mixed together and put in this bottle for you, for us to be able to connect with the spirit, clear our energetic field, bring good luck, gets rid of negative energetic fields or energy attacks, or brings you to your heart. It's very grounding. I use it daily. I use it daily when I feel all over the place. If I want to come back to my heart, come back to my body, I use it. It's also great before meditation. It opens your third eye. It's great for intuition. It's actually specifically made in the Amazon for decalcifying the pineal gland. Scientifically, that's what it's for. It is a great tool for us to connect to the higher realms and connect to the spirit and just walk this path with confidence. So how do you use it? I'm going to show you how to use it. If you never used it, it's good to start with a small amount, and then you can do more as you get more used to it. You need your tool, which is called the Krupi. This is my personal one, but the company Awake Healer, where you buy your Hapehs, they also sell these. So this will be your personal one. No one else uses it. It's for you. It's your energy. It belongs to you. We don't share our Krupi with anybody else. There are actually other tools if you want to serve Hapeh, which is a longer pipe. It's called the tepi. I don't have mine here with me, which is for different purpose. That is you serving the Hapeh to the other person who is the receiver, but you need to be very aware of who you're serving Hapeh with, because there is an energetic exchange. You just want to make sure who you're receiving from is clean and clear. It's detached from you. This stuff is strong stuff. This stuff that we're working with the spirit, so we don't want to mess with the higher selves and higher spirits. It's always good to ask permission in your heart to the spirit to be able to connect with the spirit so she can do the work through you. And it just be in your heart. These are all to get you back to your heart, to get you back to yourself. So this one I'm using is from Kuntunava tribe, which I know the leader. I love him so much. It smells amazing. So you took a very little, which I'm going to demonstrate it. I took very little. I'm going to demonstrate it here for you. I'm not going to do so much, but I can handle a little bit more than this. And to start, always good to start with a small amount. So you actually make it flat and you divide it into two for each nostril. Usually we go with left, which is our for the hemisphere, masculine, feminine, so we balance both. Our brain has two hemispheres, so we balance both hemispheres, so we live in a balanced life, not one more than other. So you take some into your pipe, you put it on your heart, you connect with the medicine, you ask for permission, you put your intention, you say thank you for being available, for coming all the way to my house, wherever you're living. This is miracle. This is miracle that we have access to these things, you guys. It's not easy. It's not easy to find actually a good medicine, because you have to be very careful where you're getting your medicine from, because you're putting it in your body, you put it in your soul, you're blowing things in your brain. You just want to make sure your stuff is clean. And then you speak your prayer into the medicine. You put it on your third eye, so you can see clearly and your intuition opens up. And when you blow very slow. You don't need to go rush. And you hold your breath. You don't want to inhale down to your throat. You just want to blow. Don't inhale. Hold your breath. And after, you can exhale from your mouth. This is how it's going to go. The long part goes into your nose, and the small part you blow into it. That's it. And then you take the other side. You don't do the other side. You have to do the other side to balance it. You can never quit in one. You're gonna feel a little bit of activation going on here and activation going on both sides. Depends how much you do it. What it does, it lights up your neural endings and it becomes activated and balances both hemisphere. So you may feel like sneezing. You may feel you want to spit. This is all good because it's clearing all your sinuses. Actually, what it does also, it clears all the mold in our brain. You'll never get sick. I use this actually in airplane just to protect myself. And when you blow your nose, first you might feel you're dripping. Just clear it. You don't need to blow it. There will be a point you really need to blow it, then blow it, clear everything out, because everything is purging out all the mucus, and whatever needs to come out will be cleared off from your sinuses, which is a great thing. You'll breathe better. And when you do Hapeh, staying quiet. Now I'm talking because I'm explaining to you, but staying quiet. Pull everything down to your heart and be grateful that someone in the Amazon actually put this together for you to be able to connect to the spirit. Bless that person. Bless the trees. Bless God. Bless everything around you. That medicine, actually, it's in your house. It's in your hand. And spirit was able to come and visit you through this medicine. I'm so grateful for you. I'm going to post the link. Please make sure you buy your supplies, you buy your medicine from really good sources. You're dealing with the spirit. Make sure wherever is your medicine is coming from is made with love, first of all, and clean, and you know what's inside. Always ask questions. Don't let anyone serve you Hapeh. Don't serve anyone Hapeh unless you are clear, unless you're confident that you can handle it, because you're exchanging information in the spirit realm. These are important, you guys. Make sure that you take care of your soul, your body, and your heart, and everything else will come. I love you all. Talk to you soon.